Today, we will learn the basic English tenses beginners need to start speaking and writing clearly.
I will explain step by step with simple examples so learners can follow easily.
English has three main time areas: present, past, and future. Each area has simple and continuous forms and perfect forms.
Start with the simple present. We use it for habits and facts. Example, I eat breakfast every day.
Simple past tells about finished actions in the past. Example, I ate breakfast yesterday.
Simple future shows actions that will happen later. Example, I will eat breakfast tomorrow.
Present continuous describes actions happening now. Example, I am eating breakfast right now.
Past continuous shows an action that was in progress at a specific time. Example, I was eating when he called.
Future continuous describes an action that will be in progress at a future time. Example, I will be eating at 8.
Present perfect links past actions to now. Example, I have eaten already.
Past perfect shows an action completed before another past action. Example, I had eaten before she arrived.
Future perfect describes an action that will be finished before a future time. Example, I will have eaten by noon.
Perfect continuous forms show duration. Present perfect continuous. I have been eating for an hour.
Past perfect continuous shows duration before a past moment. I had been eating for an hour when she arrived.
Future perfect continuous shows duration up to a point in the future. I will have been eating for an hour by 6.
A simple trick is to use time words. Words like always, every day, yesterday, already, since, and tomorrow help choose the tense.
Learn a formula for each form: simple, subject, plus space or past, continuous, be, plus verbing, perfect, have, plus past participle.
Practice with your daily routine. Make sentences about your day in different tenses. Personal examples are easy to remember.
Use short timelines. Draw a line, mark now, then place dots or arrows for actions. Visuals make tense choices clearer.
When two events happen, decide which came first. The earlier event often uses past perfect, the later uses simple past.
Listen and read actively. Underline time words and say the tense aloud. Repetition builds automatic recognition.
Make small drills. Change the time word in one sentence and transform the verb form to match. Repeat until it feels natural.
Learn the most common irregular verbs and their past participles. These appear in many perfect tenses.
Speak slowly at first and name the time word before your sentence. This habit helps you pick the correct tense.
Record yourself and listen back. Hearing errors makes correction easier and speeds progress.
Teach someone else a tense you learned today. Explaining aloud strengthens memory and reveals gaps.
Use color coding for notes. One color for present, one for past, one for future. Color links memory to meaning.
Make a pocket cheat sheet with formulas and signal words to glance at before speaking or writing.
Practice a little every day. Short regular practice beats long, rare study sessions for lasting results.
Be patient and keep a positive attitude. Tenses become easier with steady practice and useful examples.
Pay attention to subject-verb agreement in present simple. She works, they work.
Form negatives and questions by using do, do's, did, have, and will appropriately.
Short answers are useful. Yes, I did. No, she has not. Practice them aloud.
Modal verbs like can, might, and should combine with base verbs to show mood and future possibility.
Chunk practice into listening, speaking, reading, and writing to strengthen skills.
Use graded readers and simple articles to see tenses used naturally in context.
Make a weekly plan. Focus on one group of tenses each day and then review on weekends.
Try quick writing sprints. Write a short paragraph in one tense and then change the tense.
Keep an error notebook and add common mistakes. Review it weekly to track your progress.
Use language apps for spaced repetition of irregular verbs and common participles every day.
Practice speaking with a friend and correct each other gently so feedback becomes part of learning.
Remember that understanding meaning comes before form. When meaning is clear, choosing tenses gets easier.
Use short dialogues to switch tenses quickly.
Listen, repeat, then correct mistakes daily.
In this video, we learned the main tense groups, their simple formulas, and clear signals to choose them quickly.
We learned practical steps, timelines, time words, daily drills, irregular verb lists, recording, and teaching others to build confidence.